Hey, we're down here in South Louisiana. We're going to show you how to swap out the transmission and powertrain computer unit and put it back in. We get that from Jeremy at Lime Swap, and I told him that we'd do a little video, maybe help you guys out if you want to tune up your truck. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the battery. Alright, now we're going to move these coolant jugs out of the way, a 10 millimeter. It's too thin to hold. Alright.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Move that out of the way.
He's hollering over there.
Okay. Now that's the transmission unit. There's a clip, and that's a safety clip, that red clip, and then you have that's what holds it in. So you push that out of the way, and then you can get it to release.
You wiggle it.
You wiggle a little bit and get it out. Okay, that's the transmission unit. Powertrain, there's two clips like on top. You just kind of pull it forward, lift it out, and see that's the red safety lever here. You just pop that up and then
push the button
and lift up. That releases it, and
you
wiggle it, get it out, and do that for all three, and put it back in, or you just push it in, get it lined up. You push that lever that locks it down, and then you push your little red lock back in, and you're done. Now it just snaps right back in place right there.
Sometimes
You got to go down on it a little bit and then get it right and push it in and clip. That's it. Now the transmission module. Same thing. Get it. Push it in. Pull your lever down to lock it, and get a little safety clip there that goes in, and that's it.
slide it right
It's in
back.
right here, and it has a little clip on it. Put your jugs back. Okay, come here. So if you want to pep it up, get you like a K&N. You see it, Pina? K&N fresh air system. You cut off the back cap, put your 44 Flowmaster, and send your units to Jeremy at Lime Swap. Get him to tune them up for you for $100. You can't go wrong, man. Night and day, and you run it. And don't forget, hook your battery back.